Hi, welcome back to another video on PowerMill tips and tricks. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very useful one where you can create tool library in one go. So if you take standardization for any tool room is must so that the programmers can create tool paths from different users can create a common cycle or time output actually. So this can be done in two ways. Either you can create tools individually and you can export it. If you go to the settings here, you have the option to export the tools to the library with a single one. So, but what we can do a good practice is here we have multiple tools in a particular project, which is already be done. So what we can do is we can select all and you can save it in your tool library. So before that, I will open my tool database for your reference. So in this case, there is no tools here and my stock material is aluminum. Okay. Now what you can do is right click over the tools and say add all tools to database. So once you click, it will create a bunch of tools present here in one go actually. Now it will pop up a message here. What are the tools is available and which stock material you want to go for. And now if you press export, now if you go and see the tool database here, so you can able to see all the tools exported in your library so that for different projects, you can select different tools from here with the cutting data actually. Even if you want to change the folder and you can change it actually. So you can have different holders also. So this is an useful tips where you can save all your tools in one go. Thank you.